Polygons. Please make sure that you jot down this definition for polygons. Two things have to be true for a shape to be a polygon. First of all, it must be made up of straight sides, no curves. And secondly, it must be what we call closed. And by that, we mean this. Okay? If I've got this straight side, and this straight side, and this side here. If something is closed, you have to think about there being like a whole bunch of ants in here. And if the little ants can get out of the shape, it's not closed. So closed must mean there's no openings in the sides anywhere. Okay, this is not closed. This would be closed, because there's no way the little ants could get out if I didn't have a little mistake there. Okay, so it has to be closed and it has to be made up of straight lines. Is this a polygon? No, because it's got a crooked side to it, a curved side. It has to be straight and it has to be closed. And I know you know all there is to know about these, but let's just make sure you understand the names of them. What color? Let's go with this. Blue. What is a polygon with two sides called? A two-sided polygon is 6th grade, and we have no idea what a two-sided polygon is. Maggie? Brooke? Aaron? Yeah, there's no such thing. No such thing. Just seeing if you're paying attention. A three-sided polygon we call a, Alex?
Triangle.
Triangle. And there's lots of different triangles. Could look like this. Could look like this. Could look like this. Whatever. Four-sided shapes. Four-sided shapes. Taylor?
Square.
That's one of them, but that's not, I need the global name that covers all four-sided shapes. So don't call me rectangles. Not rectangles, not squares. Kayleen?
Quadrilateral.
Yeah, quadrilateral. Anything with four sides is a quadrilateral. So yes, it could be a square. It could be a rectangle. It could be this thing that has no name at all. Trapezoid, whatever. Five-sided shape. A five-sided shape. Bella?
Pentagon.
Pentagons. A six-sided shape. Six sides, Brooke.
Hexagon.
You'll have a possible hexagon. The seven-sided shape. Oh, we'll see if the math contest winner knows that. Seven sides, sir.
7 sides.
That's a tough one. We don't hear about it very often.
Pentagon, hexagon. It's not octagon.
No, you're at 8, yeah. Good thing they didn't ask this one on the
It's
math
a
contest.
polygon.
Yeah, it's a heptagon there, children.
That's right. I knew that back in the day.
And our 8-sided one, like David said, there is an octagon.
Like an octopus.
That's what I remember.
Do you have the tripod in here or is it in your office?
You the one that's broken or the actual ones that work?
The gray one that we used.
That's my office. In my office.
Oh, sorry, that was going behind me.
In my office, I was going back way down. Are we videoing today?
I don't know, don't use this to video.
Alright, now, children,
Yes,
take out a blank piece of paper because we have to establish one thing right here.
that's right. Oh, what is this one thing on?
Regular.
Regular.
Oh, I know that.
What's regular? I don't.
Regulators.
When you talk about a regular polygon, this is we probably didn't teach this back in your day. This is something new in the last 30 years.
That's what I miss.
Regular.
Your art skills when it came to your headings.
Regular. Life is so much easier without the software.
Without it?
Regular.
I love it.
Anybody, Cabron, you remember what regular was? Grace? If the book said, draw a regular quadrilateral. Regular is a very important word in that thing there. Nobody know? Brian?
Every side is equal in length.
That's exactly it. Did you say no? Did he criticize you?
I thought you said.
It means that all sides are equal. Okay, and that's the shape that usually you think of when you think of that. For example, a regular quadrilateral, by the way, means it has to be a square, or I guess it could be a rhombus. But if I asked you to draw a regular, or if I just said draw an octagon is any shape that has 8 sides. So it could look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Technically this is an octagon, but usually we think of the regular octagons, which are the stop sign looking things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, with all the sides being equal. And that's an important thing because they will tell you this. They will say the perimeter of a regular pentagon is 30 inches. How long are the sides? Or side, because since you know that it's regular, this pentagon that looks like whatever the Chrysler thing there, and when you add all the sides up, you get 30 inches. You know that what number added together 5 times gives you 30 inches, or if you take 30 and divide it into 5 equal pieces, every side would have to be how long, Alex?
6 inches.
6. But if it didn't say it was regular, there's no way you could tell what each side was because they could all be different. You could have one that's 1 inch, you could have 7 inches, whatever. So it's important that you know what regular means because it means those sort of being equal. I think, ladies and gentlemen, that is the whole spiel. That was kind of exciting, wasn't